Hello people, so once again you're all welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money online. So guys, today without wasting your time, I'll be sharing with you a newly launched USDT platform. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump onto this strategy. So guys, this platform is called mexc.xyz. Don't worry about the link in the description box below. Kindly open the description box so that you could be able to follow up and sign up a new account. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you how I will do my mission right here and take my bonus. So guys, for me to complete my mission, I will just click on the mission button over here. So it's really simple over here. Then guys, I'll click on the go to finish button over here. So I'll just go to finish. So right now it's loading and it has been successfully loaded. So guys, let me check my withdrawal balance over here. So guys, as you can see, I'm having 50.2. I've deposited 9, and now my withdrawal balance is $1.20 over here. So guys, all I need to do is to withdraw right now, so that's how I will show you guys withdrawal proof over here. So I will just go back to my Binance wallet over here. I'll click on my wallet, USDT wallet, and I'll click on the deposit button over here. I'll choose the Tron TRC20 wallet address, and I'll copy it right here. So I'll head back to my dashboard over here, my withdrawal dashboard over here. I'll just paste the wallet address over here, input the withdrawal amount over here, then I'll just type in my withdrawal password over here. So I'll just click on confirm. So they said withdrawal succeeded over here. Withdrawal succeeded. So guys, whilst waiting for my withdrawal, let me show you how you basically register a new account on this platform. So I will just log out my account for you guys to see how the registration or the sign up is being done over here. So guys, I've logged out my account. If you want to register a new account, don't forget to open my description box and use my referral link in the description box. So guys, let me just click on the sign up. For you to register, I just need to click on the sign up button over here. So all you need to do is to click on the sign up button over here. So to register a new account, you just need to type in your email over here, your password, your security password. Then you can add any information on your WhatsApp or your Telegram info over here. Then invitation code is really important. So guys, you need to use my referral link in the description box. So guys, I'm already having an account, so I'll just click on the sign in button over here. So with the sign in button, I'll just type in my email over here. So I'll just type in my email over here. Then I'll sign in I'll sign into my account right here. So guys, it says login success over here. So guys, that's how you basically register a new account over here. And guys, it seems like my withdrawal has been succeeded over here. So 1.20 USDT has been successfully delivered to my wallet. So let me go and check it out from my Binance account over here. So I'll just come to my Binance. So guys, boom, it's in. I've received my withdrawal over here. So my current balance has been increased from 5 to 6.27. Guys, let me refresh once again. So I just received $1.20 over here, $1.20 over here. So guys, for you to earn over here, you need to first of all deposit so that you can earn a lot of cash for yourself. You just need to deposit so that you could be able to make a lot of cash for yourself. So guys, once again, I did a live deposit and a live withdrawal. Once again, I did a withdrawal over here and I've confirmed the amount over here. So guys, if you really love my videos and you really love some proofs over here, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and also comment below And also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates on Crypto Denzel whenever I release a new video. Thank you.